Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this week's try on styling haul. Today we are doing Old Navy. Alright, so I found some super cute pieces at Old Navy last month when I did my try on haul that I had to check it out again this month. Their prices are just so good, you guys. They're always doing sales and whatnot, so check the links down below if you're curious about anything. I will leave my sizing and all the pieces that I talk about, as well as any additional pieces that I style them with. All will be linked down below for you guys, so it's easy for you to shop if you're curious to check anything out. But yeah, I found some cute pieces this time and I'm super excited to share them with you. First things first, I did pick up some pieces for ARLO because they were having some super cute clothes that were on sale for kids. So I don't know, I've never picked up anything from Old Navy. I primarily shop for his stuff at Target, but this little denim shirt was just too dang cute. I love this. I figured he can wear it as a shirt or he can wear it just as like a throw over sort of thing. I just thought it was so precious, so I grabbed him that. And then these pajamas, they're so cute. These are like little alphabet pajamas, a short sleeve with some pants. I thought these would be cute for the summertime. So I picked these up. I loved all the fun colors and the ABCs. He's into saying his ABCs, so I figured, yeah, he would really like those. All right, so I didn't actually show these in my video because these looked awful on me. They literally looked like the sandals you would get from like a pedicure place. I don't know. They just didn't work for me. I liked the idea of them. They're like that wicker woven sandal, but this style just looks really terrible on me. I feel like it hides some of my toes. I don't know, it just doesn't look good for me. So if I were you, I would skip on these guys. But I used to have a pair of sandals that I absolutely loved from Old Navy. They were like a leather sandal that wrapped up my ankle. It was so cute. But so that's why I decided to try out their sandals again, and these ones just, they're really cheap feeling. My other ones were like, I felt like genuine leather, but these just, I don't know, didn't do it for me, so pass on those guys. Okay, so the first piece that I was super like gravitated towards, I think I saw this on like a Facebook ad on my Facebook, which like sparked my interest to check it out again, was this little ribbed maxi dress. It's more, well, maybe it's kind of like a midi dress, not quite maxi. This is so cute, and you guys know I've been really into pink lately. I love this. I think it's a bit too see-through, so I might see what other colors they have because there's a pair of jeans in here that I'm already like need to order a different size in, so I might place a different order and check out this in a different color because I really like it. The pink is just a bit see-through, but this style dress, like this high neck, boat neck sort of top with, it's got two slits on the side, so comfortable, like beautiful t-shirt style dress for the summer, or tank top style dress for the summer. So easy, you can dress this up. You can dress this down. I would wear it super casual because that's just what I liked about it. It's really flattering. I do like it. I just feel like you can see everything through this light pink color. So keep that in mind. If you're picking one of these up, try a darker color. Or if you don't care, go for the summer color. It's not like it's like ridiculously see-through. It's just borderline. So keep that in mind. If you pick that guy up, go with a darker color. Okay, so when I saw these, I thought these would be super cute for like the summer or spring leading into summer for Chicago, like because the weather is a little bit cooler than it is here in Dallas, obviously. Not a little bit, quite a bit cooler. And I have a pair of really thick joggers, but I don't have any of these like lightweight, flishy sort of joggers that I feel like you can dress up or you can dress super casual for like a walk. I really liked these, and they're also cargo style, which I think is super in. I loved this dark green sort of color. Quality is awesome. Like, I was shocked. I don't know why I was shocked. They're just really good quality for the price. I feel like they've got a cute back pocket and everything. They're so lightweight and so breathable. These would be awesome if it's really hot. I feel like sweat would wick off of them really quickly. So walks, parks, things like that, I really thought these would be cute with just a tank top or a denim jacket and a t-shirt, graphic tee, whatever. These are super cute. I feel like you can make them a whole like casual outfit, or you can just wear them like I said, with a t-shirt over it to go for a walk, but those are a must-have, and they have a bunch of different colors in them. Another thing that I wanted, I feel like I really don't have very cute like lounge clothes. I don't know, I feel like when lounge clothes were in, I was pregnant, and I have like a pair from Target, and they're so worn out, and every time I put them on, I just remember stretching them over my big belly. So I wanted a pair of cute like sweat shorts that weren't athletic, that I could dress up a little bit and make look cuter. And these are their ultra high rise vintage 5-inch seam little shorts. These have cute pockets, a pocket in the back. They've got a drawstring in the front. There's sort of that like faded, like the vintage wash, you know what I mean, where it looks like they've been worn for a while. They're so comfortable. You could wear these to bed, kicking around the house, or you could wear them as an actual outfit outside of the house. Again, they had a bunch of colors in these. I just think you can't go wrong with a basic navy blue. I feel like it goes with everything because it's still pretty neutral. So I'm really happy that I picked these up. I really do not own a pair of like sweat shorts that aren't from when I was pregnant and huge. So there's that. As opposed, or for the fact that they say they're ultra high rise, I don't think that they're like too high rise by any means. I think that they fit really nicely, and the small is perfect on me. Okay, something that did not work out at all, it was an epic fail, was another pair of shorts. And these are the, I think they're the Everyday Chino or something like this, the OG Chino, I'm not sure. I loved my khaki chinos that I got from my last haul. I showed them in this haul. They're awesome. They are like legitimately some of my favorite pants. Are so comfortable and they look really nice. So I wanted to try them in short version. These just gave me diaper butt like no other. They were tight around my thighs, but loose pretty much everywhere else in a non-flattering way. I wanted them to be looser on my legs. I did get a small, which is my typical size, so I just feel like they fit, they're stretchy, but they fit too tight around the leg and just give a lot of bagginess towards the bum. I literally look like I'm wearing a diaper. So I would pass on these. Cute theory, but they needed to be overall just a bit bigger to give you that casual sort of look instead of fitted around the leg, because then it just doesn't work for me. But if you have like really skinny legs, these might look super cute on you. I just have kind of beefier legs. I don't know, I don't think they're that chunky or like that like thick, but apparently they're too thick for these shorts. But I love the concept of the stretchy back and the like the fitted front, so it gives it like a super comfy look and feel. But those just missed every single mark for me. These are a pair of like kind of chino-y things as well. These are an extra high rise. Again, they're high rise typical, not super high rise for me. These are a wide leg pant. You guys know I was looking all over the place for wide leg jeans, and I'm still not having the best luck, but these are cute. Honestly, I don't love the color of these, and I would look into different colors because I thought these looked more pink on the site, and they're showing up pink on camera, but in real life, they look like I washed like khakis with a pink shirt in the washer and it bled onto it. Like it doesn't look like as pink as it did on the like website. So I'm bummed about that because I really did think it would be like a really pretty light pink moment. Super cute with like a white button down. But yeah, the color is just a no for me, but the fit overall, I really like them. I like the wide fit. There's no pockets in the front. There's like a small little like key pocket, but no like, you know, hand pockets, but they have the cute rounded little pockets in the back, which I really liked. The two fit me perfectly because these don't have bungees on them. I thought I ordered a 2 in the other pair of pants I'm about to show you, but I didn't. I ordered a 4, which I had come to the conclusion last time I ordered from them that a 4 is not my size. So I guess I accidentally ordered those in a 4, but the 2 fits me perfectly. So I finally found my pant size. I just don't like the color in those, but these I ordered in a 4 accidentally, but these are the best jeans ever. Okay, so these remind me, hear me out, of my Everlane cheeky jeans that I show in a lot of my try-on hauls, but they no longer make them, which is why I hate showing them. The reason why I love them so much is this is, besides the fact that these are too big, keep in mind, they're too big. These are the ultra high rise, sky high straight, slim, secret slim pockets, which somebody told me last time it's just supposed to hide the mommy pouch. I don't know. Nonetheless, These are the perfect jean to dress up with heels and like a nice top, or you can also dress them casual. They have the raw hem at the bottom, which my Everlane ones do. And the holes on them are just the perfect amount of distressing in a very like casual way. And the fit on them, the leg, perfect. I just need them in a 2. And you guys, I have the best news because when I bought these, I'm pretty sure they were full price or they were like 40 bucks. They're now $25. Run, don't walk. These jeans are freaking awesome. I'm already ordered them in a size 2. I'm super excited to get them in. And I'm excited to have a pair that are similar to my Everlane ones that I can recommend to you guys, that are an affordable rate or affordable price, and the fact that they're in stock, you know, so you guys can actually get them. But I absolutely like could not say enough amazing things about these. I love everything about these pair of jeans. I just need them in a 2. So already ordered them, super excited to share them with you guys when they come in. They have the button fly. I don't know, these are just super cute. If you like a very relaxed fit, then maybe size up. There's nothing wrong with the way they fit. I just like them a little bit tighter for my preferences. But those jeans, number one pick out of this haul besides this little comfy outfit. Like I said, I don't have very many cute loungewears. And so when I saw this little set, first of all, the color is beautiful. Like this blue, I love for the summer. It's a waffle sort of thermal knit material. The shorts are a tiny bit big. This isn't sold as a set. You have to buy it separately. But the pants are just a tiny bit big. I could have gone down to an extra small, but honestly, the small is comfortable, so I like them. I feel like you can dress this outfit up a little bit more to wear like, not obviously like to work or anything like that, but like to run errands or whatnot. You can pair it with a pair of sneakers, or you literally can wear it to bed or around the house. But I absolutely love this set. I think the quality is awesome. I like the length of the shorts. I like the length of the top. There is no drawstring on the top, which is why I say size down in them. It has pockets in them. So cute. Love the little button fly. That makes it look a little pajama-y, but honestly, I feel like if you dress it up the right way, add some cute accessories, you could wear this out and about. And I like that this is not cropped. This is a full-length top, which I like. So that set is definitely staying. I absolutely love that. Yeah, super cute. Super, super cute. Love the color and love that sort of matching set vibe for the summer, spring. So you just throw it on and you're good to go. You guys know, I've been into pink lately and I really don't have pink. So I wanted to get just a basic pink boxy tee sort of thing. I love these. It's got that vintage sort of wash that looks like it's worn and washed. It's got a thick hem at the top and at the bottom. These are just really nice basic staples. They have a bunch of different colors. I liked this light pink. It was kind of washed out, not too hot pink, not baby pink. It's like the perfect pink. And you can obviously style this a million different ways. It's just a good little basic to have. And yeah, I like it. I like the boxiness of the shoulders and the sleeves. I think looks super cute. And then last but not least, you guys, I picked up this. Okay, so I fell in love with my denim jacket from Abercrombie last year, and I didn't know if they were gonna bring it back this year, but they did. But I saw this one, and I also saw this on their Facebook ad, so it got me. This is like a jacket that is like pinstriped, which I thought was really cute. The pocket detail is super cute. You need to size down in this. It's very oversized, even for like being oversized. I got a small, which is my true to size typically. I would go with an extra small at least, just for not so like big of a fit. I wanted it to be a little bit oversized, obviously not tight, but I don't want it to like swallow me, you know what I mean? But this is so cute. I love the pinstripe details. It's called like railroad something. Yeah, when it's oversized, it gives me sort of like railroad vibes, but I feel like if it was a tiny bit more fitted, it would look super cute. This is just a good basic. I love a denim jacket. This is so like soft and not stiff, which I was worried about. It was gonna be too stiff, but this is really soft and worn in, and I feel like even the more you wash it, the more it will like break down and get softer and softer. But this is such a cute staple piece to throw on cooler nights over the summer. You can throw this on with shorts, pants, whatever, dresses. So cute. I absolutely love that piece. All right, so those are all the pieces that I picked up from my recent Old Navy haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think should stay, what should go. I mean, I already made it very clear that those jeans, you need them. Like, I am telling you, they're going to be like, I don't know, I just can't believe they're so much like my Everlane Cheekies, 90s Cheeky, whatever. And that little blue set, so cute. Comes in other colors as well, but I think that's gonna be a really basic piece for the spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know in the comments down below that you want to continue seeing these videos. Let me know what brands you want to see more of. I thought Old Navy is just a really good brand for most people because it's affordable. They have so many different sizes. They're always running good sales. They have kids stuff. They have literally everything for the whole family. So again, everything that I mentioned, showed, all that stuff will be linked down below in case you're curious to check anything out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!